Hello YouTubers, welcome back to Speed Design channel, uh, where we post only design related videos. Today I'm going to take you through how you can move your designs from Figma and put them in mockups with Photoshop. Let's step into it. So step one, what you are going to do, we are going to head up to freepik.com and we get a mockup file. So go to freepik.com. So basically what we want from here, they are mockups. We're looking for mockups. As you see on the left here, we have some filters that we are going to customize. So the type of file we should look for, it's PSD. You make sure it's PSD because we're going to work with Photoshop. So PSD is the file extension for Photoshop files. Then we are looking for free. You can choose the color. Yeah. As you can see, they're starting to bring out the results. So for example, if you want something like this, you go and check it out. So simply you just come and click the download button. We are of course going with the free. Then we choose PSD file. But for me, I've already downloaded my file I'm going to use. So I just want to show you guys how you can walk around find the mockup files. So we shall move to Photoshop. I've already opened my file that I downloaded in Photoshop. As you can see here, we have different layers in our file that we are going to work with. Then after that, the next step is you head back to the Figma where you have your Figma designs. So simply you just click, if you don't know how to export your designs, you simply select the frame that you want to export and you scroll down here and you find the export button. So when you click export, it will go ahead and save your design on the computer. So me, I've already exported my designs and this is my file that I've opened in Photoshop. So we're going now to transfer our designs from our designs that we have here to Photoshop. So we are going to do some cleanup. um, so you'll head up here in the layers panel. We looking for this mockup here, this mockup one. So you just double click, it will open in a new tab, and here we have, this is where we are going to be putting our design for the first markup. Simply I'm going to remove the default ones, the sample. You can select it and then you come here on the right bottom corner and we delete this one here. Then there are some words I'm seeing here as well. We shall go ahead and we delete them, or we shall just delete them as well instead of just make disabling them. Okay, so now let's go on to the next step of bringing our design. We shall start with this one. So let's drag it to Photoshop. Yep. So after putting your design in here, you just save. You just press Ctrl S, and then this pop-up comes. So you just go with place. So when you place and go back to our previous file, you will see that we have the design on the markup, but it's not aligned properly. So let's go back and we put that right. So it's the issue is down here at the bottom. So we shall select our design, and we'll move it a little bit up, and then we save and go back to check. I think I've pushed it a little bit at the top, so we shall bring it a little bit down again, slowly, and go hit Ctrl S to save and go back. I think this is pretty much better. So we are going to the next mockup, which is this one here. So still the same thing, you come here and you hit this layer, that you double click actually, and we are going to delete this background. Yes, and then there's still some little bit of text here, so we shall just say that. And let's bring our second screen, which is this one. So we also drag and drop to Photoshop, yeah, just like that. So the same thing, press Ctrl S to save the file and go back. uh, Now you notice that each mockup, it has its tab, that where you place uh, the design. So we shall go back to this first one, and as you can see here, it's also reflecting in our design. The reason as to why this corner here is not visible is because of the design of the mockup. This is how it was designed. So still we shall go and hit Ctrl S to save our file, and we are going to export this to PNG now. So we go to file, we go to export, we go to export as, and then let's export it. Let's save it. Yep. So here is our final design mockups. Thank you for watching. If you like more content like this, make sure you hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe for more content like this one. Thanks for watching.